Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So I'm just carrying on from making my little heart tags like this, which was in the last video. And before I clean up all my mess, I thought I would make some pages to go into my calendar journal. So this calendar journal here that I'm working on at the moment. So I have taken some of the pages from the add-on kit in the Etsy shop, and which are these ones here, and I'm just going to collage them. So I thought I'd just pop some collage on them just to use up some of the papers for the February one. I'm quite behind on it because I've had lots and lots going on, so I am just trying to get some pages done. This one here, I've used the red one of these, so these come in the kit, and all as I did, I gessoed on the back and I collaged some of them up, and then what I did I took a piece of the collage paper that I did on the tissue paper, and I cut out the heart from the middle, and then I used the other piece. Instead of using the actual heart, I used the cutout piece so that we've got the red heart in the middle. And then I've just gone round it with the little the Posca uni pen, and just did a little bit of looks like sort of stitching around there. And then on this one I've just collaged it, which I think are lovely. And what I have also done, I've taken some of the collage papers and I've popped some lovely little pictures of my grandchildren on there. So this is Olivia, and this one I've just put, "You make every day special." She's in her lovely little tutu there. She put that on to go walking the dog with her daddy, so that must have been fun. And this one, which is little Sophia and Olivia there, look at her, she's beautiful, isn't she? She's only 2 months old, and look at that beautiful smile she's got, and it says, "You make my heart smile." So these are little words and phrases from my Valentine and Love kit. And I thought I would pop these on here, so that goes lovely with that, to make a little pocket. And then I'm going to use some of the Gelli prints and make little journal booklets or cards so that they all match in. So it's going to be a lovely sort of heart, pretty, colourful February one, which I think is lovely. So that's just a little pocket. So this one will probably have more pages than the January one. So I'm just going to show you now, let me pop those up there, just how I collage them, just using up some of the other little bits that I've got. So I'm going to take this page here. I've got some bits and pieces here, so all the sort of like leftover bits like this. I've got some purple here, which is lovely, and just pop them on here. So, and it's a really good way of using them up, and it's nice because it just shows, because if I add these to my February journal, it means that I will remember what I did through February with all the collage, which is nice. So I'm just going to take this piece, a little bit of glue stick. You only need glue stick because this is the tissue paper, so this is a lovely way to just a little bit of colour into your journals. So whether you're doing a calendar journal, whether you're just doing a normal journal, it's lovely to make sort of collage on your pages. Just sort of adds that pop of colour, and I think it's lovely. See, that heart would look lovely on there as well, wouldn't it? Shall we have a little bit of green? Nice and simple. Let's just pop these bits down. So pop this one on like this, just to make, I've printed on these ones, it's not printed, I've done some stamping on here as well, which I think looks really nice. So it's a really good, another sort of mixed media. And then what I can do with my tags, I can use these in the journal as well to write on, and I think I might actually put one on one of the pages and use it sort of like as a little side pocket. so I can pop more little bits and pieces in there. So when Andy comes back, I will be getting on with this a little bit quicker, I think, and then I will do a flip through of the January and halfway through February that I would have done. So I will get round to doing that. Let's have this from the top. Take a piece of paper off, like this. And I could even make some sort of like little page tabs as well with these, I think. Let's just take another little bit of the green on here. So it's just nice just to do a little bit of sticking. Very into my sort of sticking bits. I think it's because I don't have to think too much. I can just do a quick video for you and just have a little play at the same time, which I think is lovely. So I'm gonna actually, I think I will put that one on there like that. Let's just add a little bit of glue. I'm using the tissue paper bits because they're a little bit thinner, so it won't make your pages so heavy on there and too thick. So let's pop that on there, so that looks nice, doesn't it? And then I will add a little bit of this like I did on the tags, just to give it a little bit of sort of depth to it, and also have another play with them to get myself used to using them like this. So if you've got any tips, if you've already got these and you've got any tips how to use them, I would love it to know. Or I must watch some videos where people are using them, see how they get on, like that. Let's have a little bit down here. So really it's the same sort of thing as that I did on the tags, but just on a page like that. Let's have a little bit of a black. Not sure whether you're supposed to wet them a little bit. I will have to look. I'm just winging it a bit on these ones, but I do like them. Now let's add a little bit of stays on. Do with a little bit more sort of pink on there, I think, actually. Let's have a little bit of stamping going on. Let's take that one off. Let's see what we got. Let's have this one. A little bit of text, maybe. A little bit of script. Let's pop these out the way. And then I must tidy my desk. It's encroaching everywhere. Look at that. I think that looks really nice. And again, use gesso on there, or paints, or whatever you've got on there. I think would look really nice. Now I think I'm going to stick this one on here like that. Also got ink on there. We don't want ink on there. Maybe there, so it's, I can pop something in there, but then you can pop these in there like that. I'm going to maybe have it there, and I can add a few more little pockets onto it. Decisions. Let's just stick it on and see where we go. Let's just start. Stick this one on here like that, I think. So we've got a lovely little pocket down there. So that's a great addition to your journal, and then maybe I'll stick another little pocket on there. But what I want to do is take this one. See, because I've got the holes, I've done them like that. So when you open it up on a page, you've got two lovely pages. And I'm going to try and sort of like put hearts on all of the ones throughout February. So it looks nice and pretty. And doesn't that look nice? They go so well together. So I'm going to put this one on here. Like that. And it takes no time at all. little Olivia on there like that in her little tutu and her little ballet outfit, which looks so pretty. So there we go. So how easy, and I think they look so good, really do look good. Loving them. So it's a little bit of a mixed media one for February, which is lovely. So there we go, guys. Another way to use up some of your Gelli prints, and I will be cutting up some of them and making the little journal cards to go in here to write on. So it's going to be a lovely, nice, colourful one. So fantastic. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon. All right, guys, bye bye.